In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom background theme to your Google Gmail account. This is a great way to personalize your email experience and make it uniquely yours. Let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you have your inbox in front of you, locate the small grid icon near the upper right corner. You'll find it right next to your profile picture. This grid icon is essentially Google's app launcher, giving you quick access to various apps and features within your Google account. Click on this grid icon to reveal a drop-down menu of different Google services. Next, in this drop-down menu, you want to click on the Photos icon. This will open Google Photos where you can manage and select any images you might want to use. If you haven't uploaded your photo yet, just drag and drop the image you want to use into Google Photos. This is a simple and efficient way to get your image ready for use as a background. Now, once your image is uploaded and visible in Google Photos, you will see an option to continue. Go ahead and click on that. This button allows you to proceed with your custom background selection process. With that done, navigate back over to your Gmail tab. From here, we'll apply this image to your Gmail background. Click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear wheel located near the same upper right area of the screen. This will open up a list of customizable options for your Gmail. Within the settings drop down, find and click on View All under the Themes section. This area allows you to change the overall look and feel of your Gmail interface. Scroll through until you see My Photos. That's where we'll find the image you've just uploaded. Once in the My Photos area, you'll see your uploaded images from Google Photos. Click on the image you've uploaded, and this will present you with a preview of how it will look as your new Gmail background. If it looks good to you, go ahead and click Insert. This step confirms your image selection and sets it as the background. Finally, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes are applied and your new custom background is set for your Gmail account. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a personal touch to your Gmail by setting your own custom background theme. Feel free to experiment with different images to see what suits your style best. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly personalized email experience.